Hello all. In this video, let's quickly take a look at uppercase and lowercase. What exactly this uppercase and lowercase, and does it really mean that Excel VBA is a case sensitive? Yes, it is a case sensitive language. For example, unlike AppScript, where unlike AppScript and Python, where when you are writing the program, you have to explicitly mention capital P or small p, for example, this workbook, etc. like that. But whereas in Excel VBA, it is not like that. The moment when you save, it will automatically consider the kind of case that is it is required. But when it comes to the data, for example, Rajiv and Rajiv both are different. So if you try to match Rajiv is equal to Rajiv, it will return false. But Rajiv is equal to Rajiv, it returns true. Or Rajiv returns this returns true. So let's see how we can handle these kind of operators using Excel View. So click on the developer tab, add-on, click on Visual Basic. I would like to create a new module. So upper and lower case. Okay, let me maximize this one. Kind. Let me delete all the data. Let me see. Now let's see how this works. Low sub lower and upper case. So we all know. Let's consider a variable ws as worksheet, and we have the data in the sheet one. So set active sheet, not active sheet, like ws as sheet one, as this workbook dot sheets of sheet one, right? Okay, cool. So I mean, if in case if the sheet one is not available, I don't want to come across any hard code error. So i'm I'm writing this error handling. So what this does, this mitigates any errors, and I may make some mistakes um, while developing the program. So I wanted this to be like this. So this resets whatever the setting that I have created over here. Basically this prevents the errors, and this resets whatever the condition that I wrote over here. So ideally, whenever you have this one, you write this as well. So please do remember this as like that. And now, so if not, ws is nothing. So basically, if the sheet is available, I want to go inside this one, inside the sheet, and I want to perform few operations on this one. Now first of all, we have to count how many rows are there. For that, I'm counting this one. Count rows, comma, last row as string, sorry, as long. I mean, please do watch my previous videos to understand this one. So count rows is equal to sheet one. We have renamed the sheet one as ws dot rows dot count, and the last row is equal to ws dot cells of count rows, comma, first column we have dot and excel up dot row. So we have the number of rows. For example, if you would like to see debug dot print last row, right? If I print this one, let's save this one. Let's run. Okay, so there is a spelling mistake. I just corrected this workbook. Earlier it was like this. Okay, cool. Now let's run this one. Sheet one not found. Okay, just 1 second. Okay, there is WRK workbook. Let's save this one. Let's run. Okay, so the number of rows are total 4. You can see sub lower and uppercase. Okay, so total 4. This is fine. Now let's see. For example, if it is names, I would like to name, if it is country, if it is Rajiv, I would like to mention like India, Sai means Malaysia, Mahesh means Singapore. So let's see how we can do this one. So this is something that we already discussed earlier, but here we are going to explicitly talk about the uppercase and lowercase. So for I is equal to 2, last row, next I. Okay, so let's say like dim name as string dim I. Okay, and then so name is equal to ws dot cells I comma 1 dot value if name is equal to Rajiv. For example, let's say I'm rating Rajiv, then and if ws dot cells of 2 comma 1 dot 2 means like I comma 2 second column here, second column dot cells dot value is equal to Rajiv Puchala. Let's say something like this. Now, here if you notice, it is like it is not uppercase. It is like the only first letter is up in the uppercase, but here I have given like uppercase. So if I write this one, it has not updated the value over here. Why? It's because RAJIV and RAJIV both are different for the for the macros. So what we have to do? So here, let's keep like U case of name is equal to this one. So this is uppercase. Let's run this one. Now you can see it has updated as Rajiv. So I mean, if you're not doing this one, then how many probabilities it could be Rajiv, Rajiv, or all like small Rajiv, okay, capital RAJIV. I mean, capital R, capital J, capital I. So these many probabilities that may come, right? So how to know the probabilities? I guess it's like five is equal probability is equal to 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So if you do this one, these many 120 probabilities, I mean how you can write Rajio in different cases. So instead of that, you can use one similar case, one common case, which is either uppercase or the lowercase. So the uppercase I'm doing here, okay, else if u case of else if u case of name is equal to psi. But if you mention like okay, if you mention like normal sai, then ws dot cells of I comma 2 dot value is equal to psi ch. Let's see, this will not work out because you have to whenever you use a u case, all the values over here it should be in the uppercase. Let's see this one, nothing, but it should be sai psi. You can see psi ch. Okay, and like that you can use else if u case of name is equal to Mahesh, then ws dot cells I comma 2 dot I comma 2 dot value is equal to Mahesh Chavada. Okay, so let's run this one and you can see it's updated over here. Okay, so some of you may tell like okay, why I have to use else if here? I will just instead of I will just comment here, I'll just keep like else here, because anyways if it is not Raju, if it is Sai, I wanted this to be Mahesh. We can do this one, so let's run this one. Okay, this is working fine. So whenever so for example, let's say this is Raju P. So if using by else condition over here, it will update Mahesh over here. Because Raju is not matching, so it concerns Mahesh. So that's the reason you have to be very careful to understand the difference between else if and else. Okay, so this one. So if I run this one, okay, let's delete the value here and let's run this one. You can see the values over here. Similarly, for example, let's comment this one. Okay, I don't. Okay, let's comment this one. Okay, let's do the same for the upper lowercase. Okay, for I is equal to 2 to last row, next I. For lowercase e, okay, first what is the name? We'll take name. Okay, name is equal to ws dot cells of I comma 1 dot value if lowercase l case of name is equal to sorry is equal to Rajiv, then and if So let's keep like L case of name is equal to Rajiv. Then ws dot cells I comma 2 dot value is equal to Rajiv Puchala. Okay, let's do this one and do this one. So here I have used the L case and have mentioned everything in the small letters. So I mean you have to use either one of the case, either uppercase or lowercase, to make the data consistency, so that you will not miss the values. Sai Chavanti else if L case of name is equal to Mahesh, then ws dot cells I comma 2 dot value is equal to Mahesh Chavada. Okay, let's run this one. There it go. So try to have one consistency, whether can be uppercase or lowercase, and this is how you can ensure that you achieve the consistency by maintaining a similar case. Thank you for watching this video.